Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this nice kitchen utensil holder. This thing is solid wood. I mean, this is amazing. You can actually even hang it up if you wanted to hang it on here. They have these nice little hooks to be able to hang it. But of course, you can just set it down. But it is all wood, has your handles to be able to pick it up, and it is really versatile. So you can use it like this, where you've got the 6 different slots, put your random things in there. On the underneath side, you actually have little drain holes. So if it were wet, you'd be able to easily breathe and get all that out of there. Now, I said this was versatile, and it is. You've got several different ways to use this, whether you want to have it as 4 slots like this, or you can take this out. You can have it nice big open. I mean, even put like napkins or something in there with some silverware on the side if you're doing like a party, but you have it here. I mean, there are so many different ways to be able to use this. Put different size options in here. I love how easy it is to maneuver around. These little pieces all come out. I mean, you could even take all of it out because all of these move in and out and just have one big basket if you really want to. To put it back together, all you've got to do is just put your pieces, slide them back in with this going over top of the other one. And then you will have all pieces back together again and have yourself a nice kitchen organizer that you can have sitting on the counter, hanging up on your wall, either way you want it. It's nice, cute, and you've got nice little wording in the front.